Hello, good day. So this is the trading view, and this is exactly how it looks like if you remember the way I actually explained it to you. And then if you look at all of this here, these are the candlesticks, all of this, right? And then if you look below you here now, you can see that this is 1 day time frame. So I don't know if you're using an Android, I don't know where the time frame is going to be, but I think it's somewhere around. You can see 1 day, and you can even switch it to 4-hour time frame. What this means is that one candle here now represents 4 hours. If you switch it to 1 hour, one candle represents 1 hour. Okay, so after 1 hour, another candle is going to reappear. So that is how the time frame actually is. And if you look above you here, you see that this is Bitcoin USD, right? So what this means is that you're trading the assets is the one at the front, while the currency is in USD. So if you look at the side here now, you see that these are the currency, right? Let's say this is in USD, so this is the price. So if the asset starts going higher, then the price of the assets is going to increase as well. Does that make sense? So another thing that you need to also get to understand too is these indicators. I explained everything to you. This one at the top here is to outline, to draw out whatever you want to draw. And delete it here. And then this is a level of strong sell. You can see here now, price consolidated, and then before it started going lower. So you can see the way I actually use this indicator. Let me delete this one to outline it. So this is a level of strong sell at this point here. So if price starts coming back to here, you want to be a seller. Does that make sense? Another example is this level of consolidation, right? Before we saw price started moving to the downside, and then price came back to retest that level before it started going lower, right? So this is a level of strong sell. We started seeing a lot of sellers, right? If price is coming back to here, we want to actually be a seller. So all you want to do is input your sell to here, right? Your short position to, and then you put your stop loss at the above, and then your take profits below for let's say a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. You can see it clearly, right? So if price starts going higher and to this top, that means you've lost the trade. But if it starts coming below, right, that means you've won the trade because it's a sell trade. Does that make sense? And now it's a 2-to-1 risk to reward. You remember what 2-to-1 risk to reward means? If you're risking 1% and you want to make 2%, so if it goes to the high, you've lost the 1%. But if it comes to the 2, you've made 2%. But let's say you're risking 2% now, meaning, and you're targeting a 1 to 2 risk to reward. It means if you lose the trade, you've lost your 2%, but if you win the trade, you've won 4%. Does it make sense? So that is the position two. We have the short position and the long position too, if you remember. And then I also talked about the watch list. This is your watch list where you can add whatever currency or pair you want to trade. So you see the add symbol below. You can add Euro USD or whatever you want to trade. Let's say Euro USD. Then you click this plus sign beside it. You can see you've added it. Then you click close above. You can see it's already there, right? You come back, click it, and then press this sign here. It's going to display it. You can see now at the top, Euro USD. Okay. So what you're basically doing is you're just looking for levels of strong buy and strong sells to be a buyer and to be a seller. And then you want to trade it consistently over a series of trades to know if you actually made money or not.